Are you planning a move from San Francisco or Los Angeles to the beautiful shores of Australia? Look no further than SDC International Shipping to make your transition seamless and stress-free. At SDC International Shipping, we specialize in international relocations, and we know that moving across the globe can be daunting. That's why we offer tailored less-than-container load, LCL, and groupage shipping options, perfect for your move to Australia. Whether you're moving a few personal items or an entire household, our cost-effective and efficient solutions are designed to fit your needs. Our local expertise in San Francisco and Los Angeles means we understand the unique logistics of moving from these vibrant cities. We handle every detail, from professional packing services to streamlined customs documentation, ensuring your belongings arrive safely and on time in Australia. With SDC International Shipping, you benefit from our groupage consolidation service. By combining multiple shipments into one container, we maximize space and reduce costs, giving you the best value for your move. Choose SDC International Shipping for your move to Australia and experience our commitment to quality, affordability, and customer satisfaction. Visit us at sdcinternationalshipping.com for more information and to fill out our free quote form. SDC International Shipping, making your move to Australia effortless and worry-free. Visit our website or call us at 877-339-0267. SDC International Shipping, your trusted partner in international relocations.